Hi everyone, my name is Orsi aka Rocky and welcome to Phoenix Vocal Studio. How can we choose a coach today? Well, that's a difficult one. I will never tell that I am the best teacher you can have. I will never say that what I teach is the best and it's the only way to teach, and if you don't do it, you're not gonna learn it. Because whatever. So yeah, that's never gonna happen. And I will never compare myself to anybody, no teacher, no other teachers, no other singers, because everyone is different. Obviously, everyone is different. And since everyone is different, everyone has something different to offer. You might need something that I can give, that person might need something else that that person can give. So that's why there is no point of, competing or comparing ourselves to others. What I know that what I want to, for example, express with singing, I do it and I know how to do it, and I can teach you how to do that. So if this is something that you're actually interested in, that's the way of teaching you're interested in. If you're looking for more the harmony, the happiness, the joy and the satisfaction through singing, that I can help you with that. Definitely. 100% certain. But still, how do we know how to choose? Because there's so many out there. I just don't know. How? It's too difficult. It's just complicated. No, it's actually quite simple. No. I understand that there are so many videos out there, so many coaches out there. Whenever I decided to work with someone, like for example, when I was a student and I wanted to learn something and I found a teacher, it doesn't have to be singing, it could be anything. I had the connection straight away. I didn't have question whether I want to work with that person or not. And what you need to do is watch how that teacher talk, what they say, how they live, like how they do what they say. Because many people don't do and don't live the way they talk and they teach. I know it sounds a bit weird, it doesn't sound like singing, but it is actually, it's all connected. If you're a lousy person, you cannot be a good teacher, because there is, things are clashing. It's like, I don't know if it's, this is definitely in my language, there is an expression we say that someone who, like when the priest preaches water, but he drinks wine. I hope you understand what I meant. So you cannot be, a lousy person in life and a good teacher. You need to live the way you preach and you talk. So when you hear your teacher talk, when you hear a teacher talk, sit down and look into that teacher's eyes. Then close your eyes and let your heart decide for you. If you have the connection, if you feel the connection, if you feel the chemistry, if you feel the bonding, then that is your teacher. If you don't feel, if you, for example, let's say you watched at least, 10, videos and you still don't feel it, then keep looking. Don't settle. Keep looking. Obviously, if I also had at least, 10 teachers during my life. And the point of going to a teacher, that the teacher is there with you for a certain period of time. A teacher is not supposed to be with you for the rest of your life. Obviously, if I would be there for the rest of their life, I would still have all my students in my life, but obviously not. Students come and go. Teachers also come and go. They're here to teach you something, and when they taught it, they move forward. That's how it's supposed to be. So if you feel like that this is your teacher for You don't have to decide how long. Just, okay, I want to learn from that teacher. And learn it. And you feel like, okay, I learned it, move forward. And don't be afraid of saying goodbye to the teacher. It doesn't mean that, goodbye, you say bye forever. But if you feel like now, okay, now I learned what I came for, I can move on. And you might find another teacher. That's why it's not a competition. Every teacher has something different to give. And thank God that we have so many teachers. It's not a competition. It's not about, that teacher take that student away from me. No. I'm like, if that person wants to learn from me, they're going to come to me, not to you. Whatever. So, yes, how to choose a teacher, how to choose a coach, just watch, listen, then look into the teacher's eyes and let your heart make a decision. You will know the answer immediately. And this is a very good exercise, by the way, to trust your senses. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Mwah!